Do I need to repeat that? So this guy is filled with expertise, God bless him, but he is so quick to show off his unbelievably huge, unnecessary mansion and his Ferrari. So I guess that's my fault for having expectations for better quality videos than this, but this is like, first of all, a camera angle, not even high quality. You can't hear him talking because his head's about to go into his own ass. It's just like, come on. You can't put some of that money into making a high quality video. These people are spending hundreds and hundreds of dollars on your programs that would only dream of having the life that you have. I feel like he is taking advantage, and it sucks. It's very disappointing. Done what I did the last time because it really worked, but I'm just like, dang.
So Alex, what's your thoughts on the Kinobody Goddess program?
Well, I was really looking forward to a real hands-on, visually stimulating, easily understandable approach, but upon purchasing it, it's all these chapters, which are literally so much reading, and I love to read, so that's saying a lot. And the black and the white contrast, I don't know if it's just me, it hurts my eyes and I'm tired after 2 sentences. It's just reading. Here's chapter 2, chapter 3, chapter 4. It's just all the way down. Then by chapter 7, you finally get to the goddess body workouts, and they have this great song that plays on a loop that is enough to drive anybody fucking crazy. There's no way for you to write down or track what workouts you should be doing. And the most disappointing thing is that, turn this fucking music off. There's no guide for a variation on which combination of workouts you should do from the videos. They're literally just like plastered on here, like, here's all your workouts, good luck. Make sure, you post your results by trying to figure this out. So then it talks about calorie deficits and things like that, and for somebody who's not educated about calorie deficits already, it's very confusing. I was really disappointed there wasn't any calculator or anything so that you could be guided into what your calorie deficits should be. Just more reading. I mean, look at this. This is like, I'm gaining weight by sitting here and reading all of this. And then the conclusion, short and sweet. At the bottom, you have the bonuses, which is, guess what? Lucky you, more reading. Here's a toning program. Okay. It says, things like the protein you eat should be 30% of your total calories. Well, we don't know what our calories should be because you didn't give us any guidance on that. This is all Q&A. Again, no guidance on how to mix up these workouts. And it's really disappointing for how much money this guy has that he doesn't make this into an app that would be so much easier to use for tracking progress, organizing your workout, your diet plan, everything. I also would have liked to see reviews from... What?
The coffee shop thing.
Yeah, it's just I feel like he just sat down in a coffee shop for a year, wrote these notes down, because this is how I took notes in high school, right? You write a powerful sentence, you skip a line, you write a sentence, you edit, boom, here's the layout. It's just journaling, his own journaling and his own, expertise. He is an expert clearly by his results that he has for himself, but it's just, this is not worth, I don't know. However, I got the Black Friday deal, which was only $34 something. I think people usually pay what, $100 or something on here?
Maybe 60 or something.
Self-hypnosis, that's pretty cool, I guess. I know that works, but then at the bottom there's resources. When resources is usually oh, here, you can use this, right? Instead, it just takes you to a link for buying more of his stuff. So overall, not really easy, not really motivated, and that's my sad and unfortunate, disappointing review on the Kino Goddess Toning Program. So then we get to a juicy chapter, the Goddess Cutting Plan. Alright, I'm going to calculate how much weight I need to lose, what exact workouts I need to do. This is my one-stop shop of getting the body that I want. Right? Wrong. It's more fucking reading. And good news, you also get to do some math. So your brain is definitely being exercised, but I don't know. That's it. So there is a way to determine your calorie deficient on here. I don't know where he got this math, but it says take your body weight in pounds and multiply it by 15. Okay? So for me, without saying my exact weight, because clearly I need to lose some, my calorie total is 2,600 in a day. I've never had any personal trainer tell me that I have almost 3,000 calories to eat in a day. That is insane. What do professional NFL athletes, maybe they have 3,000 calories a day, but for a girl, that's just like, I don't know. This is the ab program. Oh. Yay. I get to read even more. Oh my god.